Friday, and I tell you, the night that I had mash up, I went to go and get some cough mixtures for my throat because this cough will not shift. It will not shift, it will not move, it will not disappear. I've done everything. I've drunk my ginger and lemon, I've drunk honey and lemon, I've drunk hot water. Oh, we're going to Disneyland tomorrow with Ava, and the weather doesn't look great here. However, it was looking quite warm where we're going, like in Paris. I'm gonna try and give myself some of this, see if it works. Nothing is working, nothing is helping me at all. And it tastes awful. Ugh. Ugh, yuck. I'm going to tidy up the flat a little bit, and then I'm going to pack our clothes. I bought Ava some clothes from the shop that I saw, and when she comes home I'm going to tell her what my plans are and then have her try on the clothes. Whether or not it fits her, that's another story, that's another bridge I'm not even trying to think about right now. But this is what I got her. It's 67. It's so cute. It's so cute. And do you know where I got this from? I got this from Poundland. I got this from Poundland. I just thought it looked so cute. And it's a matching set. It's a matching set. So a little blazer for her to wear. A little white top inside of it. And yeah. Bing balla bosh. Oh yeah, I got her nice little velour Disney suit for her to put on to the airport. So this is what she's going to be wearing to the airport. This is what she's going to be wearing to the airport. And then this is what she's going to be wearing when we're in Disneyland. Yeah? That looks alright, innit? This is what she's wearing when we're in Disneyland. I'm thinking if I should do it the other way around. But this is cute. I think this would be nice to wear it in Disneyland and we just have nice little pictures and stuff like that. But yeah. I just checked in. I'm not meant to be speaking. I'm meant to be saving my voice. Trying to make it get better. But it is what it is. I checked in our... updated our... what did I do? I updated our passport information and I checked in. We're leaving here tomorrow morning at 3 AM. I've got some snacks for her, but I'm gonna try and see if I can get some more snacks for us so that we're saving money where we can, love. I ordered some trainers for her actually to wear with this outfit and it hasn't come and I don't know what to do. They told me it was at the depot. You mean to tell me no one's decided to pick it up? Anyways, it is what it is. I booked AV like a the hotel that we're staying at. Move this back a bit. The hotel that we're staying at, I've booked us they've got like a swimming park area which I've booked us in for, so I'm hoping that she won't be too tired and she'll be able to enjoy that swimming part. I've got her some goggles and some new goggles. I've got her vest, so I've got her 1, 2, 3. She won't need one tomorrow because she'll be out and we're going to bed. I've got her little Mickey Mouse. I've got the theme down pack. So what I'm going to do when she comes home, I'm going to present to her all like this Mickey Mouse pajamas. She's got some mini Mickey Mouse balloons that we used for her birthday last year, but they're still inflated amazing. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to print off like a little sign for her to read saying we are going, and then a picture of the Disney land and then Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. I'm going to create that and then print it off for her. That's what's happening at the moment. Yeah, so for myself, I've got like some Mickey Mouse. I got this for Christmas. I'm so grateful because now I can put it to use. Yeah, so I've already got some snacks that Ava loves, so we're taking that with us. This is for me. One thing about me, wherever I go, even if I'm going up the road around the corner, I must carry food with me, because the one thing I do not like is to be somewhere and to be hungry. Hate that with a passion. Do not talk to me when I am hungry. It's almost like when I'm tired. Vex. Speak of the devil. My parcel just came. Thank goodness. So I just bought myself some pair of black trainers. So I don't have black. Oh, I do have black trainers, but they're not as comfortable. So, and also I've seen a lot of people on about this P60s. So I've got a pair, black ones, just to see how they are, because we're going to be walking around a lot tomorrow. So we're just going to see what it feels like. I bought a size a little bit, oh yes. I bought a size bigger than what I would normally wear. I wear a 6, I bought a 6.5 because I'm tired of my foot feeling squashed all the time. This is what the shift. That's what the shoes look like. And then I've got Avy some shoes as well. This little girl, I've spot her this year, you know. Do you know why as well? It's because I've got a new job. So now I've got the money to actually do the things that I want to do. I bought her some Jordans just to wear and walk about in. Just regular pink Jordans, £35. These shoes are a bit bigger as well. They're like half a size bigger than a normal foot, because I am an African auntie and we don't buy our shoe size, we buy them one size bigger. So I think that would be nice for her to just wear this and that together. She'll be all pinked out. Oh my god, I'm so excited for her. So I'll get her to try this on when she comes home to see what it looks like. I don't know how I feel about these trainers. They're a bit boring, but we'll see anyway. I've actually realised or remembered I've got other outfits for her. So I've got these set for her. But I don't know how she's going to wear this now. When she's going to wear it. She can wear it back home when we're coming back home, or she can just wear her velour outfit again. It's fine. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to need 3 more sets of underwear. But yeah, I got her this little set from what's that place called? H&M in the sale, because I'm a what? Only shops in the sale section. Period. Oh, hello. This is cute, honey. This is a cute little set. But I don't think we're going to take this with us. That is cute. I need to figure out what I'm wearing not really bothered, to be fair. But I think we will wear this to the airport only because she'll be nice and warm, and then we'll wear it through the day. But yeah, coolie. I think we need this, do we? Oh yeah, I bought her a nice little t-shirt as well for Disney, so I'm gonna put that in. I'm gonna put that all together and then put it in a bag and just have her look in the bag and just be like, we're going to Disneyland. I had like 2 Disney bags for her birthday, but I decided to use the other one and not use this one. Don't ask me why. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put them all in here. So her pajamas and this top and some Minnie Mouse. This is what we had at her birthday last year. Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. So I'm gonna put that in here. She had a Minnie Mouse band. Do I know where that is? No. But I have a Minnie Mouse balloon, but I think I'm just gonna go and buy a little balloon and just be like, and then just put a little message in here. Put a little message in there saying we are going. I think I'm just gonna wear like exercise gear when to go. I'm just gonna wear exercise gear to go. I should really just dress up a little bit more, you know, to get there, but I don't have clothes, man. I don't have time. I don't have energy.
Ordinary, nothing to do with my hair. Understand me. Understand me. Understand all the assembly, nothing to do with my hair. All the assembly. Nothing to do with my hair. Have a present.
Last gift. Come, turn it around, let me see. Go around the other side. That's it. Open it, let me see.
Minnie Mouse balloon.
Yeah, what does that mean? Oh my goodness.
Some clothes.
Oh, let me see. Open it out, let's see. Oh, what does that mean?
This one.
Oh, Minnie Mouse, Mickey Mouse again. Oh, more Minnie Mouse.
Put that there. Some lovely clothes.
Oh, very lovely clothes. Oh,
What does it mean?
what does that mean, Avery?
It's my second birthday.
Yeah, it's your second gift. It's your gift for your birthday.
For my 7-year-old birthday.
No. Is there anything else in there? Is there a piece of paper on the side?
Huh?
Is there paper on the side?
We're going to Disneyland.
Yeah.
Where did you take a picture of this?
No, I just took it from the internet.
We're going to Disneyland. We're going to Disneyland. I want to go to Disneyland. I've been asking you.
All right, calm down, love.
Finally.
You excited?
Yeah, I'm excited to see Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Put it there.
We're going to Disneyland. We're going to Disneyland. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Look at this trainer.
Oh wow, wee.
Wow, I'm gonna wear this to Disneyland.
Yeah.
Best thing ever. Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Mommy, what does it say?
Read it. You said it.
We
Mhm.
are
Mhm.
going
Mhm.
to
Mhm.
go no
No, you said it. Going
Going
to.
to.
And then the picture is of.
Disneyland.
Give me 5. We're going tomorrow morning. So we can't. I have to come. We have to do your hair quickly. We have to wash it, take it out, blow dry it, so that when we go, we have to wake up really, really early. We have to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and then drive to the airport. That's why Mummy's been looking at your passport all the time. Are you excited?
Yes. Guys, what's this?
You want to try it? Oh, Lordy. Okay, well done. You want to try on your outfit to see if it fits you, okay?
Hey, Mommy, I need to wear this.
Yeah, we'll wear that when we're going.
And I need to wear this.
Yeah, try it on, let's see.
A Minnie Mouse not there.
No, I didn't get Minnie Mouse, I just got Mickey. I was in a rush. Let me see. We're going to Disneyland. Ava, you're gonna hurt yourself. You're gonna hurt your back. Yeah, stand here, let me take a picture.